Is this the best first class in the sky? I've just boarded the Emirates A380, and today I'm flying for 15 hours from San Francisco to Dubai to find out. The concept of showering at 35,000 feet is a little bit bonkers. This is actually my second time. It was so nice, I had to do it twice. This flight is the first leg of a long journey all the way to Johannesburg, costing $1,200 and 187,000 miles in total. I'll be in the air for 24 hours. One of the first things I noticed when boarding first class is that you don't just have one window like you would in economy. You've got 3 windows to choose from. You can adjust the lighting to your taste, and the shades have a screen feature. You can have them all go up or just one, and it's delightful. You don't usually get a basket of goodies on most flights. Let's see what's in here. Electrolytes, perfect for staying hydrated on long flights. Salted caramel chocolate-coated licorice. The classic Lindt dark chocolate, wasabi peas, trail mix, and almond dragées. They also have veggie chips and a refreshing mist. Everything here is well thought out to make the journey enjoyable. Classic Emirates First Class has gold accents everywhere. The lights, TV frame, seatbelt, and more. Emirates also partners with Bulgari for their amenity kits. Inside, you'll find toothpaste, deodorant, combs, hydrating face emulsion, body emulsion, and other essentials. Every detail, even down to the stars on the floor, adds to the luxury experience. Before I do anything else, I ordered one of the most exciting meals available in first class, the Emirates mezze platter. It's a feast that doesn't even feel like airplane food. It includes tabbouleh, baba ganoush, hummus, lamb meatballs, falafel, and walnut-based dishes. Everything on this platter is worth trying, but the baba ganoush might be my favorite. The seat itself is impressive. The TV is enormous, at least twice the size of what you'd expect in other classes. There's a drink display, a vanity with a mirror, and even a little drawer for a journal. You can adjust the seat for sleeping or dining, and the partitions ensure privacy. As a mom, having time alone is rare, and I'm relishing this experience. I even enjoyed a vegan peach crumble dessert while adjusting the seat closer to the table. The crew provides exceptional service, even setting up my bed for me. Now, the highlight of Emirates A380 experience, the shower. It's like a luxurious RV bathroom, complete with Foya products, toothbrushes, razors, and loofahs. You get 5 minutes of water, which may not sound like much, but it's plenty to shower at 35,000 feet. Every detail has been considered, from fresh flowers in the room to safety features like oxygen masks. After my shower, I change into the Emirates pajamas, which are incredibly comfortable, and relax with some tea and cookies. Later, I explore the amenities in my kit, including facial spray, eye cream, and sleep oil, which felt indulgent. I got a solid 8 hours of sleep under the starry ceiling, and woke up feeling refreshed. Emirates also has a full bar on board for business and first-class passengers. I enjoyed a Polaroid photo taken by the bartender, which was a cute touch. Breakfast was delightful, with Arabian sweets and tea to end the flight on a high note. After 15 hours, the flight felt much shorter, thanks to the amazing service and comfort. Upon landing, Emirates arranged private transportation and a transit hotel for me. They offer transit hotels for free in all classes, but I appreciate the added luxury of the private service in first class. The next part of my journey involved an 8-hour layover in Dubai, where I spent time in the First Class Lounge. This lounge offers a 15-minute complimentary massage, fine dining, and a quiet, exclusive atmosphere. The Emirati breakfast set was a standout, with creamy yogurt, tomato, feta, beans, and scrambled eggs. Although the lounge is less crowded than the business class one, I recommend arriving closer to your flight time to avoid long waits. Boarding straight from the lounge is a convenient feature, though I didn't get to use it this time. After a relaxing massage, more food, and some work in the business area, I'm ready for my next 8-hour flight to Johannesburg. Flying Emirates First Class is truly an unforgettable experience, combining luxury, comfort, and impeccable service.